Yo, King Earner live and direct. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this honorable wild caught salmon. I don't want to hear about nothing that's farm raised. You might as well eat some dishonorable pilsork. Get them nice and oiled up, you hear me? Rub her. Do not play with her. Rub her. You're playing. You rub her like this is your lady. You do not want to eat no food that you're not caressing in the correct manner. Give it a dishonorable taste. Honorable salt. It's that Morton salt, that kosher, you hear me? You're going to notice when I'm cooking this, when I'm searing it, you're going to notice that I'm going to cook it on the side where the skin is at. And you're going to notice that at the end of the day, paprika, all of this stuff is your friend. This is your friend. Pull out the Mrs. Dizash on the Lizzo. Y'all know how I'm carrying it. Y'all thought I was just going to hit him with the salt and all that. No. We got to dash you too. Some going to say, I know a lot of these cooks, they're going to say, why does he feel as though that he has to put so much on it? No, all these things right here don't cause you no harm. I put a pinch of salt on there, right? If you got an issue afterwards where you see your hands swelling after this, you go ahead and get some apple cider vinegar, you dishonorable killzunts. I mean, what else do King Earner got to do? You got to spell it out for you? You know how I'm carrying it, man. I'm about to throw the honorable salmon. I already got me an honorable base. I threw me some honorable garlic in here just to get some understanding, right? Because on top of the garlic, I'm going to throw you add the honorable red wine vinegar, right? That's your friend when it comes down to cooking, especially salmon. When you're dealing with a stainless steel, it costs a couple pennies. So they do what you needed to do. Don't think it's gonna burn up. You wanna turn that fire up a little bit because you wanna get that sear correctly. You wanna get that sear correct. I need you to get up on this right here because this sear, oh my goodness, is a pure honor. That's why I don't talk about you Prilziks, because y'all dishonor. I mean, at the end of the day, this salmon can take more heat than you can. And when the person can't take no heat, that's when you know that the street is something that you need to run away from. Because, look, the salmon's taking the heat. Look, want me to turn it up a little bit more? Like, you want me to be like, the detectives walk in, and you're sitting there and you got a pen in your hand and you're just writing, and you know what you chose. You know you chose the street life. But at the end of the day, guess what? This ain't the streets, and this is salmon, and it can stand the heat. How many of you Mills-us can stand the heat? How many of y'all can stand the heat? Groove with it. You gotta groove with it. I'm grooving. I'm driving on the street. Remember I told you about the gears? I like that skin. I like that skin. I like that skin carrying it like that. I don't know what y'all eating. I like that skin, but I'm going to break it up because that's what we're doing. We're making fettuccine honor. You Prilziks only understand fettuccine in a dishonorable fashion. Y'all worried talking about the skin. The law soprano with the island gave us the skin. Why would I get rid of it? This is protein and honor. I don't use plastic, Earner. Get out of here, you dishonorable Prilzik. You Mills-us didn't do nothing on y'all throat. Fentanyl. And y'all mad at me about when I use a plastic spatula, you threw fentanyl down your throat. You threw cocaine up your nose and you're mad at me? Come on, man. Don't be mad at me. I'm cooking correctly. I'm cooking with honor. That's avocado oil and sesame oil. Your dishonorable prolix. Just a little bit of adobo. Creole seasoning. And the honorable whisk. I know I got the garlic powder, I got the salt, got the paprika, and I got the honorable garlic in here. Y'all know how I'm carrying it.